Welcome back to Love, Life and Travel. If you're new here, I'm Rebecca and you may not have seen me for a while. I've been MIA. It has been a crazy few months, but I really missed you guys, so I wanted to come out today and film a little something for you. Today we're going to one of Australia's or Queensland's most popular tourist destinations, and I know you would have heard of it.
Hi, I'm Beck, and in 2023 I've been sharing my hot tips as a local for things to see and do around Brisbane, the Gold Coast, Sunshine Coast and the Gold Coast hinterland. I've been sharing my favourite waterfalls, showing you where you can see Australian wildlife. I've shared my favourite beaches and my favourite mountains, showing you where you can race in a V8 supercar, and there's plenty more yet to see.
We are doing something super exciting. We're here at the home of 𝓒𝓸𝓷𝓽𝓪 at Australia Zoo. Let's go check it out. So I've just arrived at Australia Zoo, jumped on the little shuttle, and I've arrived in Africa, you guys. And behind me we have some beautiful rhinos. I love the way that they give them plenty of land here. They're very well cared for at Australia Zoo. So it's just amazing just to see them like that, so close. Now getting around the park is super easy. There's plenty of pathways and there's even an air-conditioned shuttle bus to get you between certain points. So the entrance of the park to Africa, there's a shuttle bus, which I just grabbed before. But yeah, it's just a nice walk between the different areas. So we're now off to see the tigers. Let's go. It is so hot. I've just managed to find a seat in the kangaroo enclosure. Yeah. But I've been here for Been here for almost 3 hours and I've done 4.5 kilometres, 6,000 something steps. 6,683 steps to be precise. So plenty of walking to be done at Australia Zoo for sure, so make sure you bring some comfy walking shoes as well. Let's go see the kangaroos. It is so hot, even the kangaroos are chilling out. They're all sleeping. You'll see just behind me there's an aviary. I would have filmed only I don't like birds, so I was through there like within 10 seconds. I didn't want to hang around, so there is an aviary if you want to go check it out. So as you can see, there's plenty to see at Australia Zoo, over 1,200 animals, and I've only shown you a sneak peek. So definitely come down, spend a whole day here. Like I said, come prepared for hot weather. But I'm going to go now. So thanks for coming along for this vlog this week. I hope it's been an interesting one for you. And don't forget, when you come to Australia, come to Australia Zoo. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, don't forget to hit subscribe and give me a big thumbs up. And I'll see you next time. Bye guys.